So my sister had asked me to do this for our father, like put all his kids, the ones that are alive, and his grandchildren in total in some framework. So this is what I did. But my sister likes decorative stuff. I'm more like of a, what would you call it, neutral person. And I was sitting this morning and I was looking at the picture frames, and I remembered that I got these stickers from the Dollar Tree. I paid, of course, $1 for them. I got this set and I got this set, but I'm not going to use this set because this has a better contrast for the black and white framing. So I already put this one on, B, and then the next one says grateful. So let's see how neatly we could put this on here. It's kind of big, so it may have to cross over on my sister's face there. And just gonna paste it down really nice. Here. I didn't necessarily want it on the pictures itself, but I'm sure when I send a picture of this, my sister will feel much better about how it looks now. Now I'm going to swap it over and I'm going to put the leaves on the one for the kids. This is like silver leaves. Dejan, you want to put on one? Here. You have to take your time and you have to start from one end to the other end. So you don't, just put it right here. You don't have to come in the video. Put it up there. Take your time. You have to put it at one end, yeah? Okay, so we're gonna get that down like that. Don't want any creasing in there. Dejan's one got a little bit of creasing, so I'll put on the others. I'll put one up here over Tajli's head. I can probably put one maybe here.
Why you have to put it over me?
I could probably put the next one here. Like, you could be creative with it, whatever suits your fancy. I could probably put this one like so. And just put a little bit of oomph into it. And there we go. Let me just, thank you. So we have number one, this is me. And we have number two, this is Dejan.